Hi all of you, back with another video on Git and GitHub. So in this video I'm going to show you what is Git Revert. So let me just change font and size of my this kernel. So let me change font to unispace bold and size should be 26. Okay, now color should be, I think yellow is good. I always take yellow. Okay, so now it's time to be a root user. Sudo su to be a root user. Now let me just clear screen. Okay, so now I just want to show you git revert and how it works. So let me just show you git log. Okay, you are not in git repository. Okay, ls canada git. Let me go into this git. Okay, this repo. Why it is not autofilling? Canada git. Okay, Canada git. Yeah, so now let me do ls. So there is only one file. Let me remove this. Let me do ls. So there is one file. Okay, let me check now git log. So there is your git log. My last commit is your let me just see. Last commit is this. Okay, this commit is from Canada. So this was my last commit. Okay, so now I'll show you what is git revert. So let's say that you are let me make a new file. Let me make a new file like cat muscle car. Okay, muscle car. Okay, this is my new file. Okay, in this I'll write like Mustang Hellcat. Okay, Hellcat. I think this is enough for now. So it's time to go back. So now let me commit this file. Let me add first. Let me add this file muscle car. Okay, now it's time to commit as well. Commit -m. Now message is this is my muscle car commit. Okay, yeah, this is enough. As you can see, commit is done. Okay, now you can see that. So now let me first clear the screen. So now it's time to add something else in this file. So let me add like cat muscle car. Okay, so let me write anything like Lamborghini Aventador. Okay, Aventador. So this is your not muscle car. Okay, so this is not your muscle car, but I accidentally added. Also I accidentally commit it as well. Okay, let me write here Aventador commit. Okay, so now I don't let me see what is the content in my file. So as you can see that this stuff is there. Okay, but I don't want. So this is my muscle car file, and I don't want this Lamborghini Aventador because it is not a muscle car. So I don't want. I accidentally added and committed it in my local repo. Okay, so I want to revert. Okay, revert it back, which means I want to undo. So now let's take a scenario that you have written code and you accidentally wrote some wrong code. Now you want to undo in your local repo as well. So how can you do that? You will use git. Let me first clear the screen. Okay, now git, first let me open git log. Okay, so as you know that this is my wrong commit. Okay, and I want to undo this commit. Okay, so just highlight this alphanumeric 40 alphanumeric id. Okay, and just clear screen now. Okay, so now just run this command git revert and paste that alphanumeric id. Okay, by pressing right click. Okay, now as you can see that if I press enter, now you can see that my vi editor is open. Okay, so now you can write, or you if you want you can write, if you don't want you can leave it as it now. Okay, so let me write here ignore previous commit. You can write anything you want. If you don't want to write, just leave it. Okay, so now it's time to save and quit. Okay, save and quit. So now you can see that one file changed and one deletion. Okay, so if I run again git log. Okay, git log, so now you can see that it is showing that this revert commit, this is revert commit your, and this is your message. Okay, and let me just show you the content. Okay, let me just show you content. Cat muscle, cat must not here, cat muscle car. So now you can see that the Lamborghini Aventador is not there. Okay, because the content is now not there, which was the last commit is not there. The all the stuff is now undo. So this is the main function of git revert, and you can try by yourself. And I always say, I always prefer you all to do hands-on on all the stuff which I show you. Don't just watch video, just do by yourself on AWS account, or you can do on git as well. Okay, I think yeah, this is enough for today, and I will be meet you in my next video.
और रोकिया तैथों रुकने नी जोर ला लई झुकने नी।